Okay DJI, seriously, what are you up to while we've been waiting on the edge of our seats? Popcorn in one hand, wallet in the other. Hoping for any kind of announcement about the long-rumored Mini 5 Pro, DJI has given us absolutely nothing, not even a cryptic tweet. It's been total radio silence, like that one friend who says, "I'm 5 minutes away," and then disappears into the Bermuda Triangle. At this point, we weren't sure if DJI was planning to launch a new drone or ghost the entire internet. But just when the drone world was about to give up and start flying paper planes for fun, a couple of heroes emerged, Jasper Ellens and Drone Hacks, dropping leaks that hit harder than DJI's actual marketing. And let's just say, the Mini 5 Pro is looking like the most overachieving mini drone DJI has ever created. Imagine the Mini for Pro, but with biceps, a fresh fade, and zero patience for mediocrity. So, what do we know? The Mini 5 Pro is real, very real. We've seen leaked renders, leaked boxes, even leaked boxes with typos. One mentions the RCN3 controller, another shows RC2, and yes, both packages were hilariously misprinted. But here's where it gets interesting. There's no under for 9G label this time. Is DJI finally ditching the ultralight legal flex in favor of raw, unapologetic performance? Because the rumored specs suggest a serious glow-up. We're talking a 1-inch image sensor, a massive upgrade for the Mini lineup. This translates to better low-light shots, richer dynamic range, and those smooth, cinematic bokeh effects. In simpler terms, your drone footage is about to go from budget vacation vlog to Netflix documentary. And then there's the 4K video at 120 frames per second, giving you creamy slow-motion shots that scream professional. Oh, and the 48mm medium crop, probably a smart digital zoom using that big sensor, giving you punchy visuals with natural compression. And here's the wild part, the gimbal tilt. We're not just talking about a slight tilt for artsy shots. This drone reportedly supports to 125 of gimbal rotation. That means dramatic tilt-ups, buttery vertical transitions, and orbit shots that would make a Hollywood camera operator jealous. Yes, vertical shooting is still on the table, so your TikToks and Instagram Reels will look like Spielberg directed them. But that's not all. DJI's rumored to be giving the Mini 5 Pro omnidirectional obstacle sensing, plus a forward-facing LiDAR system. Yes, LiDAR in a mini drone. That's Iron Man-level situational awareness. It'll dodge trees, weave under bridges, and probably avoid that one rogue pigeon that always shows up mid-sunset. Flight time, a solid 36 minutes on the standard battery, to more than the Mini 4 Pro. There's also talk of a 50-minute version, likely using the heavier Plus battery. But even 36 minutes with all those sensors running, that's a solid win. However, we still don't know some key details: final weight, a Q-Sync version, wind resistance, or pricing. DJI's keeping those cards close, but honestly, at this point, the leaks are speaking louder than any official teaser ever could. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another upgrade. It's shaping up to be the first true pocket-sized powerhouse, potentially abandoning the ultralight badge to deliver serious cinematic performance, smarter tracking, and gimbal flexibility that belongs in a filmmaker's toolkit. And just when we thought DJI had the skies to themselves, Insta360 swooped in with their new drone brand, Anti-Gravity, and they didn't just join the race, they declared war. Drone insider Igor Bogdanov dropped a wilderness test photo of a rugged prototype just as DJI's Mini 5 Pro box leak hit the web. It's a showdown. Insta360's drone is aimed directly at DJI's crown, and it's packing some insane features. We're talking 8K video, dual 360 cameras, hot-swappable batteries, a metal heat sink, obstacle detection, smart safety tech, all while staying under the magic 149 grams weight limit. That weight isn't just about being light, it's a regulatory loophole. Under 149 grams means no need to register in many countries, especially for recreational use. Fewer headaches, more flying, and the kicker, with 300